Okay, going back to our terminal, increase the font here so it's a bit bigger, maybe easier to see. So here's our terminal. We're already on a Git repository that we just created from our first video. I'm going to type Git Status to see kind of where we're at. Git Status will give you the status of your Git repository at any given time. So you can see we have a clean working tree, we have no commits there, we're on branch master, looks great. So now copying the text from GitHub, I'm going to copy one at a time here. I'm going to add a remote. Can I not copy and paste in this? There we go. So I'm going to add the remote, which was our repository on GitHub. So now we did that. Git status still works the same. That looks the same still too. Okay, so we now have a remote repository there. So I'm going to copy the second line, which is the push to your Git repository. Now what's going to happen is we don't have anything to push, so it'll probably give us an error saying there's no new stuff happening. Yeah. So what we're going to have to do now is we're just going to have to make our initial commit. So what is a commit? A commit is just a save in your local workspace at a certain time. You could imagine a good analogy for it is when you're playing a video game and you hit the save button, so in case you do something and you fail at it and then you want to go back to that save point so you can try something new and different and see if that works. So in a very short, undetailed way, that's what a commit is. It's just a save in your workspace in a certain time period that you can revert back to, so you don't really lose crucial moments in creating whatever project you're working on. So I'm making my initial commit, and the whole purpose of this commit is just to be able to push it up to our branch and show you that works. So it's telling me I have nothing to commit. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a README file, and that will be the thing that we're going to commit. If we don't have anything to commit, there's a way to make an empty commit, but most of the time there's no point in making an empty one. It's like clicking save twice after you just click save. There's no point. So now if I type Git Status again, you can see that we have some untracked files. We have a README file that's untracked. So now what we're going to do is do git add read. I hit tab to autocomplete that. So now you can see that now it's tracked, and now it's ready to be staged for commit. So I'm just going to arrow up to our last thing. We're going to commit this first commit. It's giving us a warning about some type of typeset that we had in place. Not sure what that means, but it's a warning, not really important at the moment. So now that we have our commit done on our local machine, now we need to put that into our Git repository. So I'm going to push that up to our master branch. See if I remember my password. There it goes. Okay, so now we can see that it just pushed up successfully to the master branch on GitHub.